Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another very profitable weekly Forex forecast video. I'm Sankar for Kingmaker Trading and congratulations on your 564 pips of trading profit last week if you followed my last week's weekly predictions. So if you didn't, don't worry, I have some great trading ideas to share with you this week too. So let's get started. Okay guys, before we get into this week's analysis, let's take a look at my last week's analysis and how they played out. And this was the first analysis that I made last week on gold dollar, and this is how that played out. We got 138 pips of profit from this smaller pattern, and we got 170 pips of profit from this larger pattern. And I said that I'm expecting a trend continuation movement from gold dollar as well. So we got 358 pips of trend continuation profits from gold dollar too. So I posted this trade on TradingView, so if you saw that, then you probably would have taken this trade too. So, and this was the next prediction that I made last week, that is on Euro New Zealand dollar, and this is how that played out. We ended up having 53 pips of loss in Euro New Zealand dollar. Okay, and this is the next pair that I posted here on YouTube last week, that is Euro Yen, and this is how that played out. We just got 20 pips of profit from Euro Yen. And this is the last prediction that I posted here on YouTube last week, that is on New Zealand dollar, and this is how that played out. I got 49 pips of loss from New Zealand dollar last week, so altogether I got about 564 pips of profit last week from the market. Alright guys, so let's get straight into this week's analysis. So first pair that we are going to be looking at this week is this New Zealand dollar pair. And first, let me zoom out this chart. We are on the daily chart on New Zealand dollar. Let me point out a zone here first. Okay guys, as you can see, the zone that I have pointed out is a well-risked zone in the past. So what can we expect now? We can expect a reversal or some sort of reaction inside this zone. Not only that guys, but also if I place a horizontal line for this impulsive movement in the market and make a copy of that movement, let me clone that, and if I place it right here at the starting point of this impulsive movement, you can see that a nice harmonic movement is completing near this highlighted zone. So what is this guys? This is what we call a lightning bolt sell, or an ABCD pattern in the sell direction. So what I'm expecting after forming this pattern is for the market to fall down until this 786 retracement level. So my first profit objective will be this 382 retracement level, and this is the second profit objective of my trade, and this is the last profit objective for this trade. Alright, that is on New Zealand dollar, and let me go to the New Zealand yen next. So alright guys, as you can see, New Zealand yen pair is also at a previous level of structure. So let me place a horizontal line at this point in the market. Okay, as you can see, this structure level has been respected multiple times throughout the past. So if I draw point out a zone here, same process guys. Okay guys, as you can see, so because this is a well respected structure area in the past, what we can expect out of this pair at this point is some sort of reaction. Okay guys, as you can see, this is a nice double top formation in New Zealand yen. So what can we expect out of this market after forming this double top? That is a movement to the downside until this point, or this lower down here, this point. What I'm expecting out of this pair this week is a movement to the downside, maybe to this structure level and probably to this structure level. So that is what I am expecting out of this pair this week. And my next stop is at gold dollar. Okay guys, on gold dollar. So this is gold dollar daily chart that we are looking at. So as you can see, this was a giant cup and handle pattern that I pointed out on gold dollar, and the market is half of the way through to the profit objective of that pattern. And since we got this breakout, since we got this breakout in the market, market had consecutively moved to the upside until this point. At this point, market formed a symmetrical triangle, that's how I call it, this movement in the market, and inside that symmetrical triangle there was a consolidation area, so we managed to get some nice profits because this was a consolidation, and consolidation means we can trade advanced patterns very often. So after that, market now has broken and closed above this trend line, which means it was the breakout of this symmetrical triangle, and we got advantage of this movement last week. And let me delete this one. So what I'm expecting now from this pair is a movement to the upside. As you can see, I'm expecting this movement to happen until this 1484.07 structure level, and this would be my first profit objective. If I draw a Fibonacci extension for the depth of pattern, as you can see, this first profit objective that I am looking at is at this 1.075 structure level, which I consider that I found out that markets respect this 1.075 Fibonacci extension level. And for the second target, I'm looking for this 1.414 Fibonacci extension, and my final profit target is at this 1.786 extension level. So altogether, this pair has a profit potential of nice 592 pips of profit potential. So guys, that is what I'm expecting out of gold dollar this week. And my last stop for this week is at Canadian yen pair. And remember, this is a bonus analysis that I post because I post only 3 trading ideas, so consider this a bonus guys. So this is a nice butterfly pattern formed in Canadian yen pair, and these green lines are my profit objectives. So what I am expecting out of this pair this week is a movement to the downside until this 80.640 structure level. So guys, that is what I'm expecting out of this pair this week. and that is the weekly analysis for this week. So guys, if you made it to the end, like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to this channel for more future content like this. Let's meet in the next video. You're gonna be an amazing trader.